Hello, and welcome back to Inch Programming. Last time we talked about a simple guess the number program, and we got it working pretty well. And I thought I'd go back and revisit a couple of concepts and show you a few more things with that program. What you're seeing here is the code for the guess click button. Let me bring up the magnifier so you can see that better. And as you can see, we had three if statements. The first one checked if the guess was greater than secret num. The second one checked if guess was less than secret num. And the last one checked if guess was equal to secret num. Now let's do a flowchart for this function. And I'm going to show you something where we have a little bit of room for improvement in our program. So now let's draw the flowchart for these three ifs for this function. And I'm going to show you how we can actually improve this and learn something new about the if statement. So the first if asks if guess, so we're coming from the entrance, technically we should have a start. I will here. Okay, so we got our start block. And now we need to ask if guess is greater than secret. So I'm going to use G for guess and S for secret, so I can keep this fairly small. So the first if block, so we'll use a diamond for that, asks if guess is greater than secret. Okay, and if it's yes, then we go here, which is to display too high. Looks like that line is too high. Okay. If no, so if it's not greater than, if guess is not greater than secret, we simply do not execute this block and we move on to the next block. You see that? So how do we represent that here? Well, we just have an N for no on this other choice. We simply move on to the next block, right? That's supposed to be an arrow. Now what happens if we executed, if guess was greater than secret num, then we enter the block, we say your guess was too high, we exit the block, and we still go to the next if. You see that? So from too high, we would still go to the next statement. Okay. What's the next statement? Is guess less than secret? So let's draw another diamond. So guess less than secret. Okay. Again, if it's yes, then we print out too low. I'm making these blocks slanted on purpose because they represent output to the user. And if it's no, then we move on to the next decision block, correct? So that means that, but even if we said yes, that the guess was greater than secret num, and we print it too low, we still go back into the flow of things, right? And the last check is if guess is equal to secret. Guess equal to secret. If it's yes, then we say you win. And if it's no, we simply go to finish. So win or lose, we go to finish. Okay? Now what do you notice about this? Let's look at the first if. If our guess is greater than the secret number, can it be less than or be equal to? No, it's impossible to. So to save time, execution time, we should just exit. So if guess is greater than secret, we should simply go all the way out to finish. Do you see that? And skip the rest of the if statements completely, because we know that if guess is greater than secret, then guess is not going to be less than secret, and guess is not going to be equal to secret, at least not this time through this function, right? Because we only have one guess and only one secret value. Okay?